I'm the captain, and we're going to set up OBS for Twitch streaming as fast as possible. Watch this. Go to Google and type OBS Studio download and hit enter. Go to the first option, download OBS. Then choose your operating system. Most likely it's Windows. Click on Windows, then click the download installer here. It'll install. Open the folder. From here, just click next until it's done. Once OBS starts up, then you're going to want to go to File, Settings. From Stream, go over to Service and make sure it says Twitch and Connect Account. From here, you'll log in. Once logged in, you'll want them to go down to Ignore Stream Service Settings Recommendations. It'll say, are you sure? Yes. Then go to Apply. After it apply, you'll see that Twitch chat's on the right and information is on the left. We'll go to Output. We're going to switch it from Simple to Advanced. Turn Twitch file on if it's not. Change your encoder to your graphics card. Mine's NVIDIA. Make sure your bitrate is around 6,000. Change your presets from slow to medium. Everything else should be the same. High quality, 2-pass, high, look ahead, no. Hit apply, hit OK. From here, you should be able to grab your docs and attach them to OBS so that they don't move. On your stream information, you can go to your title and type in whatever you want. I'll say my first stream ever. Go to your live notifications and you can tell people I'm going live for the first time. Whatever category you want, you could do just chatting. You type it in here. It'll pop up here and you click on it to confirm it. And then you can enter tags. You can enter up to 10 tags, any tags you want. I would try to keep it with your stream. Just chatting, welcoming, ADHD, lurker friendly, whatever it is for you. Tutorials, hit done here. Now click over to chat so that you can read chat while you're live. You have a blank canvas right now, so what we're going to do is we're going to add a scene. Let's go ahead and add your camera. Hit OK. Now you have a camera scene, but there's no camera in it, so go to your Sources tab, hit the plus sign. You're going to go ahead and add the video capture device. Name it whatever you want. Hit OK. Now I have multiple cameras. You'll see all the options here to choose from. Go ahead and click OK. Make sure you resize the camera to be the full size of the scene. Come over here, add a new scene. We're going to name this scene Stream Desktop. Your Stream Desktop is now empty, so hit the plus sign. We're going to go to Display Capture. Go ahead and choose your desktop. Hit OK. Now you have a desktop scene and a camera scene. Now we want to do an actual streaming scene. So hit the plus sign, hit Streaming Scene 1. Hit OK. In this, you are now going to do sub-nested scenes. Hit plus, add scene. Go ahead and add your desktop. Hit OK. Now inside the same streaming scene 1, we're going to add the camera. So go to Scene, add camera. Hit OK. You're going to now want to alter the size of your webcam. Put it, however you think you need to put it. If you want to be fancy, right-click on camera, go to Filters. Right-click, hit Add Advanced Mask. Hit OK. On Advanced Mask, you want to choose Shape. You want to choose Circle. Go ahead and hit Close. But you have to add the Advanced Mask plugin, and I'll put that in the description below, okay? To make it even more cool, right-click, Filters, Add Shadow. You also have to add the Shadow plugin. I'll leave the link in the description below. Hit OK. And now we have a cool little shadow. We'll increase the size, and you'll see here that there's a little shadow there. Close. Now your little drop shadow looks a little bit more cool. Okay, we don't all want to display our desktop. Most people want to display a game. I'll show you how that's. We're going to add a new scene called Game. Hit OK. The game scene is now empty, but if you have a capture card, you'll want to select your capture card. You'll do Video Capture Device, as you see here. And then you'll click OK, and you will choose whatever capture device you have. Mine says USB 3.0, but if you had it in Elgato, it would be there. However, if you have the game attached to the same computer you're streaming on, you're going to click that, and you're going to click Game Capture, and hit Game Capture, and your game will be displayed right here. Mine is Dave the Diver. We'll hit Dave the Diver, and hit OK. And as you can see, Dave the Diver is booting up now. So we have a Stream Desktop scene. Let's go ahead and make a Stream Game scene. So Stream Game. In the Stream Game scene, we're going to add the game. So we go to Scene, we'll go to Add, hit OK. From there, we're going to go ahead and add another scene, the camera scene, hit OK. Now we have our camera scene and the game scene together. Go ahead and size your camera however you like. Now that we have what we're streaming and our webcam, we need some alerts. Let's go ahead and go to Twitch and find the Twitch alerts. From Twitch, you click on your profile. You're going to go to Creator Dashboard. Click on that. You're going to come over here and go to the Alerts tab. Click on Alerts tab. From here, you're going to hit Create the Alerts box and pick Create all the alerts you want. Make sure you take a good amount of time in creating that. Once all of your alerts are created, you're going to right-click here, Copy Browser Source. Go back to OBS. Then inside of OBS, you're going to click on the game scene, the source that wherever you want to play. Hit plus sign. Go to Browser Source. Hit Browser. We're going to say Alerts from which, hit enter. There's already going to be a URL in there. Just go ahead and select that. You can delete it and then paste your Twitch URL there. Go ahead and make the width 1980 and the height 1080 if that's what you're streaming at. Always control audio by OBS. Shut down source when not visible. Refresh source when scene becomes active. This will save you on resources. Go ahead and hit OK. And now your Twitch alerts will be displayed on your stream. Now that you have your game, your webcam, and alerts, the reason why we let OBS control the volume of your alerts is you can go down here and you can actually change. If the alerts seem to be too loud or not, you can just go ahead and change the volume of them here. You can change the volume of your desktop. And last but not least, we have to make sure that your microphone is able to be heard. So let's go ahead and add your microphone now. To add your microphone to your stream scene, hit the plus sign, hit input audio capture. You can name this, my microphone or whatever you want to put. Add the device. Mine's the Shure MV7 mic. Hit OK. And you'll see here, your microphone is now there. Make sure that your microphone never goes into the red. If it does, you can always tone it down a little bit like this. Back up, but I seem to be doing OK. The pro tip, go to filters, hit the plus sign, and make sure that you add the limiter. This will prevent the microphone from getting too loud and hurting people's ears while they're in there. Another thing you can do is do noise suppression. Hit OK. There's different options. If you have a lot of CPU to use, I'd do more CPU. If you don't, then do low CPU. It's that easy. Click close, and now you won't be hurting anybody's ears, and you'll sound beautiful while you talk. That's it. All you have to do now is scroll down below and hit the Start Stream button. Good luck, and let me know if you need any help.